Well, good morning, Jagadna Rana here. This is roses and thorns of claim payouts and insurance industry. The topic is roses and thorns of claims payout in insurance industry. Life insurance is a risk-sharing device. It protects the people from the financial crisis when unexpected death arises. It is a safe vehicle to construct long-term saving, and it provides peace of mind to the policyholder. In the year 1999, IRDA Act was established. It allowed private players to start life insurance business. At present, there are more than 24 life insurers, seeing the 100% growth for the continuous 3-4 years. More players may jump into the field in future, as there have been crores and crores of policyholders. It is tough for insurers to educate all policyholders regarding the claim process, as few nominees' requests are rejected by the insurers. Policyholders feel that insurers deviate from their commitment. So at the same time, in the stiff competition, only few life insurers tell how many claims have been settled by them in a particular period. Now, these insurers use the number of claims settlements as a perfect marketing caption to attract more customers, brilliant sales officers, customers-friendly operation staff, customers-oriented insurance policies at terrific bargains are completely waste if the insurers do not act in accordance with the commitment given to customers at the time of grief. So the objective should be to identify the actual reason for the claim's repudiation by the insurer and to know the benefits of information technology in settling death claims. Now the methodology used is for the purpose of writing or settling the claim. The researchers have collected information and distribution channels, members and managers of insurance companies through schedules. Researchers met branches, sampling methods used for this research work. Both the primary data and secondary data were utilized for research, but the necessary secondary data were collected through websites of insurance companies, insurance governing bodies in our nation general, as well as insurance related journals and the sales promotional pamphlets of insurance products. So for the purpose of collecting primary data, interview schedule was conducted covering all aspects of the objectives of this research work. Now the question is, what is the basic necessities for life insurance contract? The ingredients of the contract insured must realize the implication of principles of life insurance to appreciate the relevance and claims process. Their utmost good faith is a function of voluntary dissemination of all facts and materials to the risk being proposed. Now, whether expected or not, it is also known as the Uvarium fights. The caveat emptor, each party in the contract may check the service items which is the subject of the contract, but this caveat emptor has not been practically viable today. Insurable interest, life insurance agreement with insurable interest is considered as improper money earning activity. The life insurance policy purchased by one person or on the life of another person is rejected. And then indemnity, insurance is a financial risk compensating tool. Insurance should not be used to make profit from any perils or hazards. So it is to compensate the financial loss incurred by the policyholders, not more than the maximum sum insured. So the said concepts are imperative for the existence of contract between the insurance company and the policyholder. Then the two can accept the contract. Now, circumstances leading to crisis and claim settlements are that is the application form given by the insurer to the customer. Proposal form is completely read out only by a few customers, but for But more customers do not read it and they just put their signature in the appropriate place. Blanks are filled by the insurance agents. In order to close the insurance sale quickly, insurance agents tells the customer to put the signature in the correct concerned space. So based on the proposal form information, some days insurers send the policy document to the customers according to the people. False statements made when applying for insurance may be one of the reasons the rejection of claims. Because our agents do not know the health conditions of the policyholders and family members clearly. And so there has been more chances for the rejection of claims at the same time at the time of demise of the policyholder. Customers or insurance agents may feel it is not vital to give complete details about previous insurance policies. People take insurance cover from various insurers without disclosing the fact of the existing covers. The industry is now recognizing this and sharing the claims. In such cases, the person is more valuable dead than when alive. They do not realize what this is the wrong attitude. When there is a need for claim, it is completely delayed or partly rejected by the few insurers. All the policyholders must give complete information about previous policy details in the proposal form. Only then they can expect the claim at the time of grief. So the ordeal of claimant is that few customers purchase insurance plans for purpose of getting huge amount of claims from insurance company. Mode of justification or unjustification in claiming the amount is different from one person to another. Insurance fraud is almost as old as the history of insurance itself. So fighting fraud has become one of the key objectives of the modern claim management. So instead of the actual amount in the bills for the expenses, few policyholders exaggerate the expenses amount, and it is shown in the bill. So one more form of ingenuine activity is creation of complete fictitious happening. Normally in salary savings schemes, the premium amount is deducted from the salary of the employee by the company. Then the company pays the premium to the insurer. The premium is deducted from the salary is not paid to the insurer. So rarely at the right time, if an employee dies, unfortunately claims are rejected by the insurers to the claimants. So the customer service is essential to retain the existing customers and attract new customers. It's not an important issue to sell life insurance to more customers in a short period span of time. But fulfilling the commitment is the vital part in the competition between various insurers and the development of the company's image in the mind of the customers. Technology should be exploited to train customers then and there. Moreover, customers should not unjustify the insurers only for the sale of receiving claims. Life insurance company must maintain a balance between the management's desire and the complainant's expectations for surviving in the market for a long period. Thank you. Thank you very much.